Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best dash cams in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget dash cam with just the essentials or a premium model with all the latest technologies and features, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Verratek C500. This is our best budget dash cam. If you're looking for one of the best inexpensive dash cams around, the Verratek C500 is priced around $55 and is a great budget option that has a wide-angle field of view, will record everything that happens during your drive in full HD, and comes with the safeguard of a G sensor that will secure any video recorded during a collision. This compact dash cam has a 2-inch screen and fastens to your windshield non-destructively using a suction mount. The camera powers up when you start your car and begins recording immediately. It records the video to the memory card using loop recording, where segments of 1, 3, or 5 minutes that you specify are recorded until the card is full, then starts to overwrite the oldest video with new data. But during a collision, the segment gets isolated so it can't be overwritten during the loop recording. You'll always have an indisputable account of any type of accident for law enforcement or insurance purposes. A 2.0 megapixel Sony IMX323 sensor captures full HD video at 30 frames per second with sharp details of street signs, license plates, and other vehicles. If you need a screen grab of any part of the footage, the screenshot function of the C500 will let you extract any frames you like easily. The optimized lens aperture also records impressive video at night by letting in more light. The 140-degree wide distortion-free field of view gives you a great forward view, including the areas off to the side, so capturing large intersections is trouble-free. If you want a dash cam that's capable of 4K video recording while still being affordable, stay tuned for the Verratek C800 Pro dash cam coming up later in the video. The C500 also has a feature that will detect vibration or motion and will initiate recording if your vehicle is bumped in a parking lot or tampered with. The Verratek C500 brings a lot to the table, with full HD recording at 30 frames per second, a wide-angle field of view, and some great features at an attractive budget price. The 4th product on our list is the Garmin Dashcam Mini. This is our best mini dashcam. The Dashcam Mini is Garmin's most compact dashcam, measuring just 2.1 inches tall, 1.1 inches deep, and 1.1 inches wide, making it extremely discreet and is priced around $90. It pairs with your phone using Garmin's Drive app, since the dashcam itself doesn't have a physical display. The app lets you view real-time or captured video, as well as change the video quality, measurement units, enable the date and time watermarks, format the SD card, and align the camera. Fitting the Garmin Mini dashcam to your windshield is as simple as attaching the mount to your windshield with double-sided tape. From there, the camera easily clips to the mount. The Dashcam Mini records at 1080p, so the footage is perfectly sharp and clear even for such a small camera, with details sharp and number plates legible. Like the Verratek, the Garmin also has a 140-degree wide-angle field of view lens that spans fully from one side of your car to the other, giving you a complete view of the road ahead and a little to either side as well. Camera positioning is key here, and thanks to the Mini's size, it's easy to fit right in the middle of your windshield without interfering with the rear-view mirror or obscuring your vision. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so you can download saved footage to your compatible smartphone running the Garmin Drive app. The auxiliary power adapter has 2 USB ports and comes with a USB cable that's data capable and can be used for offloading photos and for taking power from your car's 12-volt socket. There's no battery inside the Mini, so it will only work when it's plugged in. If you're looking for a discreet dashcam at an affordable price, the Garmin Mini dashcam is extremely compact, discreet, and focuses on simplicity with core features including automatic incident detection and recording. The 3rd product on our list is the Verratek C800 Pro dashcam. This is our best value 4K dashcam. If the Verratek C500 looked pretty good to you, for a few bucks more, the $90 Verratek C800 Pro dashcam is an even better value and will give you 4K recording with great visual detail and a wide field of view day or night. This dashcam easily mounts to your windshield and records at full UHD 3840 by 2160 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. While the field of view isn't as wide as the C500, the 106-degree field of view produces a clear image with no optical distortion and includes a 3.17-inch IPS display. The C800 Pro uses a Sony Stratus lens with an f1.8 aperture that produces the best video possible during low-light situations or at night, clearly showing intersections, vehicles, street signs, and other objects in 4K detail with smooth frame rates thanks to a dual-core CPU. And you're not limited to just video. Capture scenery, incidents, events, or any important moments with the picture feature built into the C800 Pro. Any stills you take will be captured using the same impressive 4K resolution and are stored with the video on the same SD card up to 256 gigabytes. The C800 Pro features an easy-to-use interface and also records in loop format that will lock the footage in cases of accidents. The The dashcam's motion detection provides 24/7 monitoring by recording activity that is detected by movement or vibrations, so you can be rest assured even if you leave your car unattended at home or in parking lots. If you're looking for a dashcam that can record 4K video at an affordable price, the Verratek C800 Pro comes with great features and captures true 4K video with stunning detail even at night or low-light situations, featuring its night vision with a Sony CMOS sensor that delivers the best video possible, making it one of the best 4K dashcams for the dollar. The second product on our list is the Nextbase 522GW. This is our best overall dashcam. If you're looking for one of the best dashcams around, the Nextbase 522GW is feature-packed, including an SOS function that alerts emergency services to your location if you're in an accident, and even has Amazon Alexa support so you can play the music, make calls, and much more using voice commands. Currently priced around $260, the 522GW is relatively compact and easily mounts out of the way or even on the back of your rearview mirror using a choice of an adhesive or suction mount. From there, the camera itself attaches to the mount using strong magnets. It has a 3-inch touchscreen that can either display the view from your camera or your current speed using the GPS receiver. It records at 1440p at 30 frames per second, but you can lower the resolution to 1080p and increase the frame rate to 60 frames per second, which can help to make license plates more legible when driving faster, and a built-in polarizer helps to reduce reflections from the windshield. It has a 140-degree field of view, so you'll be able to capture the road ahead along with significant coverage on the sides. With Alexa integration, you can start and stop recording and even take stills, all with voice commands. And for emergency situations, the 522GW can connect with emergency services. If you're involved in a violent collision, the G sensor on the dashcam will be triggered, and if the alert isn't dismissed within a certain period of time, a text message will be sent giving the details of the location of the incident and any pertinent information you have preset to share. If you're looking for one of the best dashcams available, the Nextbase 522GW comes with great features including built-in Alexa for hands-free operation and an emergency SOS feature that notifies emergency services automatically if you're not able to do so yourself after an accident. The first product on our list is the THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dashcam. This is our best splurge dashcam. If you're looking to indulge, the THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dashcam at around $500 comes with a 4K UHD front-facing cam and a 2K QHD rear camera, making it a great splurge option. The THINKWARE U1000 is the highest resolution 2-channel dashcam available right now and comes bundled with both the front and rear cameras, a 12-volt power cable, an adhesive windshield mount, cable clips, a 32GB micro SD card, and a USB micro SD card reader. The front camera affixes to your windshield using 3M tape, and the control panel gives you buttons for power, Wi-Fi, and for the microphone. 3 indicator lights show if the U1000 is connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot, is recording, and if it's connected to GPS. There's also an additional record button to trigger on-the-fly capture. The front-facing camera has an 8.42-megapixel Sony Exmor-R Starvis image sensor that captures crystal-clear 4K UHD video quality at 30 frames per second. It also features a 150-degree wide-angle lens that is the widest field of view on any dashcam in this video, so it minimizes blind spots, letting you capture all the details on the road. And as you move from light to dark areas, the U1000 will compensate with its advanced wide dynamic range and intelligent automatic exposure, and at night, the Super Night Vision 2.0 takes over. The rear camera has a 5.1-megapixel Sony Exmor-R Starvis image sensor that captures in 2K QHD, and like the front camera, has a wide 150-degree field of view and shares the same video enhancement tech as the front camera. The THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dashcam comes with all the bells and whistles, including a 4K front camera, 2K rear camera, Super Night Vision 2.0, 3 parking modes, safety camera alerts with its advanced driver assistance system, which can alert you of potential forward collisions, lane departures, and front vehicle departures, making it a great premium option for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.